Welcome back to the August Diaries. My name is Jill. Today we are talking all about holiday outfits, and I'm going to give you a bunch of outfits for inspo. I have everything from very traditional, sparkly holiday outfits to more non-traditional, something with denim perhaps, if you're not looking to go like a rhinestone studded crop top kind of vibe. But this is like one of my favorite things in my whole closet, and shockingly I don't get a chance to wear it very often, so I wanted to pull it out for the holidays. This is from New A. I will have all of the outfit information linked below. Some of it is vintage and pre-loved, so I will have something similar or just let you guys know where I got it. I would definitely encourage shopping secondhand, shopping vintage, and let's get started. Happy holidays! This is outfit number one. So like I said, I bought this top for myself when I went to Elton John last fall. I love it so much. It just makes me happy. I feel like you have to pull it out for the holidays. I'm just wearing it with a pair of vintage Armani suit pants that I got from the Find in Vancouver. I like showing a little bit of skin, but you can kind of wear them as high or low as you want. Any black pants will work. And then I just need to find a pair of shoes. I think I'm gonna go with these vintage Celine boots. These were actually my push present and I love them so much. I feel like this looks very chic with the black and the slightly pointed toe, especially because the top is quite in your face. You could do a red lip. It depends how much you want to bring up the holiday vibe. But instead of a red lip, I'm actually going to do a red bag. This is from Acne and that's look number one. Okay, here's the next look. I love doing a holiday look in a very classic holiday color like red or green, but in a different tone. So this green is not necessarily something you would think of for the holidays, for Christmas, but it's still green and it's still like a very cool silky shirt. This one is from Frame. I actually wore this last year for Christmas dinner and I've just paired it with the same trousers from the Find, these vintage Armani trousers, and left it kind of unbuttoned. You can go like that with the pockets. You could tuck it in half. I especially love the beautiful long sleeves as well. I'm a sucker for details. For shoes, you could do something black or a bit more simple, but I'm gonna do these silver shoes from La Vaude. I feel like I'm kind of giving you a base outfit and then you can take it as far up as you want with the accessories. You could do a red lip and silver accessories and big earrings and like there's lots of things you can do, or you can keep it very simple. But I love this look as well. Okay, this next look is a lot more casual and more of a subtle holiday look. So I'm starting with a very simple, classic black silk dress. I've had this one for probably like 8 years. It's great. It's cut on the bias, so it fits you really beautifully. Again, with the green, but not too like Christmas green. I'm gonna do this secondhand Acne sweater. This could be like a day look or maybe holiday drinks. It's a lot more subtle holiday. And then I'm gonna do these Kate boots as well. Love that. I mean, this doesn't even have to be a holiday look. It could just be like a regular look, but it is a little bit holiday inspired with the slip dress and the green sweater as well. And then you could do something like a rhinestone bag if you really wanted to kind of up the holiday factor. I probably wouldn't do a red bag. The like red and green is a lot unless it's a red lip or something like that. But this is a bit more of a subtle holiday look, if you will. This one is kind of holiday chic, but very cool with a leather midi skirt. This one is from Align, my Kate boots, and this is an old top from H&M Studio that I kept because how could you not? I like the crop of it. Like showing a little bit of skin is cool, but it's not too much. I love this leather midi skirt. It's a really classic shape, but it makes everything look much cooler. Then I'm actually gonna add this Acne purse, and that is the final look. So another thing you can do during the holidays is play with texture. So obviously this is an all black look, but we've got a leather midi skirt and then this textured top. This is from Frame. I got it at Focello's. Again, this doesn't have to be like a very holiday look, but it is kind of like a nice elevated cocktail look. I feel like the texture makes it a little bit more interesting. And then to make it even more holiday, I'm gonna add this Kiso jacket. So this is red obviously, but it's burgundy, so it's not as true of like a Christmas red. So it reads a little bit holiday, but not too much. And then obviously add a rhinestone bag for a little bit more of a holiday vibe. Take a shot every time I say holiday. This one is much, much more casual. This is something that I'll probably be wearing around the house on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve. These are vintage jeans from our Denim. I'm just wearing a red cashmere sweater, really, really comfortable, and a white tee from Saray underneath. I like that the little bit of white just kind of makes it feel a little bit cool, a little bit more casual, but it's still very holiday, obviously, with the red. But this is something that I would wear regardless of whether it's the holidays, so I feel like it's not too in-your-face holiday, even with the red, but I will definitely be wearing this around Christmas. Okay, so then we move into the red lipstick look. So all of these looks are very chic, non-holiday looks, and then with the red lipstick, obviously makes it a lot more holiday appropriate. So I'm just wearing this very pretty black knit dress. I guess the pearls are a little bit holiday. I don't know, are pearls holiday? I feel like yes, with my Kate boots. And then I'm gonna add my rhinestone Prada bag to make it even more holiday. All of my jewelry is from my heritage collection with True Curated. It is quite holiday appropriate, especially with the green. So we've got green huggies. These are like the perfect everyday gold hoop. They're chunky, but they're not too much where you can't wear them on a day-to-day basis. Diamond studs. These are like the perfect size diamond. Necklace, and yes, the clasp does go at the front. Maybe one of my favorite pieces, the signet ring. I love this so much. I'm wearing 3 of them. And then we also have the bracelet, same chain as the necklace. I know that denim jumpsuit may not necessarily feel very holiday at first, but again, with the red lips, that really makes a difference. This is just kind of a chic, non-traditional holiday outfit. And then I'm going to use the accessories to kind of punch it up a little bit. I am going to go with these gorgeous silver La Boudet heels. These are also not very high, which is so great because I can't really walk in heels anymore for very long. I love how the toe just kind of peeks out a little bit. And then I'm going to do something a little different. I'm actually going to do a little neck scarf. So this is red and green, which are obviously holiday colors, but it's not too like in your face about it. So it's just something a little bit different, a little bit cool. I never thought I'd wear a neck scarf like this again, but I actually really like it. I was inspired by my Heritage Collection photo shoot that I styled. It was very like equestrian, a little conservative, kind of like East Coast. And so I loved how everything came together, and I've been bringing pieces from that into my everyday wardrobe as well. So this was something I did for the shoot. And finally, a little bit more of a formal holiday outfit. This is a dress that I have been wearing over and over and over. I got it last year. It is from Naked Fashion. It's kind of inspired by the row. I feel like you can dress it up or dress it down. Like I would wear it on vacation with flip-flops and my hair tied back just for something a little bit more put together. Anyways, for holiday, I dressed it up with a red lip and then again with the silver shoes. Just kind of peek out the bottom so they're not too in your face. If you want to go a little bit further, I would add this forest green vintage coat. I love this so much. Again, with the Christmas colors, holiday colors that are a little bit of a different tone than you would think of. And I actually love the forest green together with the red lip. I think it's subtle but really chic. And then if you want to punch it up even more, you could do the rhinestone bag. And that's it. If this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know what you're wearing this holiday season. Are you going to be wearing any of these outfits? And have a wonderful holiday season with your loved ones. Bye.